10 best ways you can stop your wheezing. 1. Steam therapy. For quick relief from wheezing, nothing works faster than steam inhalation. 2. Hot shower. Just like steam therapy, taking a hot shower can make your breathing more comfortable and stop the wheezing. 3. Warm fluids. No matter what, it is important to keep your body hydrated. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Another popular home treatment is apple cider vinegar. 5. Ginger. Ginger is one of the best home treatments for wheezing. 6. Garlic. Garlic is another effective remedy for stopping wheezing. 7. Warm oil massage. Any warm oil massage will help break down mucus buildup in the airways, which will relieve wheezing. 8. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil can open blocked air passages and offer instant relief from wheezing. 9. Turmeric. Turmeric is another effective remedy to stop wheezing quickly. 10. House free of irritants. To prevent frequent episodes of wheezing as well as asthma, it is very important to keep your house and the surrounding area clean.